Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson. It's a wonderful morning again here, and I am standing in front of two of my apple trees just behind me here. Now, these two trees were the first two trees I ever planted when we bought Crystal Cottage nearly 4 years ago. So I'm really happy about these trees. I love them to death. They have grown more than double as much. I hope I can find some photos so I can show you what they looked like when I first planted them. I'm showing these trees because this year was the first year ever that they flushed out with loads of flowers in the spring, beautiful pink colours, pink and red and white. And I thought, yes, for the first time ever, we are going to get lots of apples to munch on this year. And then all of a sudden, we got a really late bout of night frost here. And it just killed nearly all of the flowers. All the buds, everything, just over a couple of nights, they just disappeared, everything. And I was so upset. But I'm standing here because I didn't think there were going to be any apples, but there were a few that managed to make it through those bouts of late frost, and I want to show you them here right now. So what I'm going to do first is cut a nice apple off so I can bring it and show you. Look at this little beauty. Isn't it just lovely? It's one of those green and red. Oh, and it looks so perfect. It looks so perfect. This is the first year in 4 years of these trees being in the garden that they've produced any fruit. So on this tree, there are two apples this year that made it through out of all of the buds that were on it. The other tree did also have a few apples, and they were actually green. But as far as I can see right now, none of them made it. None. So I'm going to cut this in half now and show you what it looks like inside. And then we're going to have a munch. Can you smell that apple? Get closer. Smell it. Use your imagination, your fantasy. You must be able to smell this apple. You know what apples smell like. I'll just cut it up so we can look inside. So there we go. There's the apple. And look at that. Isn't that lovely? It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. I'm so happy about this. Let's have a little taste. I think it could be on the tree a little bit longer. It's not too sour. Actually, it's really nice. I can get in my zone again. Oh, I'm eating organic apples directly off my own apple tree. Can't get better than that. And they taste so good. They taste so fresh because they haven't been bought in a supermarket where they've been kept chilled so that the sugar flavours disappear. These have got a lot of flavour. And I haven't actually had my breakfast yet, so I'm going to go in now and chop these up even more and put them on my cereal. So thank you very much for watching this video. I just wanted to share that with you. And please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Goodbye.